How to fix iPhone keeps rebooting logo error. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First and the most effective fix for this issue is to force restart your iPhone. So go ahead and press and quickly release the volume up button followed by press and quickly release the volume down button and then press and hold the side button and keep holding until the Apple logo appears. This can often break a temporary boot loop. See if that helps, and if not, then you can simply go ahead and charge your iPhone. As if your iPhone's battery is very low, then sometimes it can cause repeated restarts. So charge your phone and then leave it for charging for at least 30 minutes and then try turning it on again. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then go ahead and disconnect accessories such as any external devices or charging cables or USB accessories, as sometimes a faulty accessory can occasionally interfere with startup. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then you might need to restore your iPhone using the recovery mode. So connect your iPhone to a Mac or PC and then open Finder and then put your iPhone into the recovery mode. And if that does not help too, then go ahead and launch the settings application and then tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Make sure that your iPhone storage is not almost full. And just in case, go ahead and delete unnecessary apps, videos, and large files, as an almost full iPhone can sometimes trigger boot loop behavior. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then it also could be due to failed iOS updates. So, just in case, if you are trying to update your iPhone and the update has been interrupted, or if you have your beta software issues, then you might face this issue. Additionally, look for hardware issues such as if you drop your iPhone, or if your iPhone had any kind of water exposure, or if you recently did a battery replacement, then you might face this kind of issue. So go ahead and take your iPhone to an authorized Apple service center and ask them to fix your issue further. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix rebooting logo error. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.